You're not going to believe this, but for the past 400 days, Bitcoin and the crypto markets have been following the exact pattern of the 2021 top. Not only am I about to show you all the proof, I'm about to show you what happens next in the pattern, because the pattern is undeniable. Take a look. In this market cycle, we had one top here, the double top here. In 2021, we had one top here and the double top here, but it didn't stop there. Right after the double top, we had this cross happen. This death cross happened right when we were in a bear flag. I'll show you what a bear flag pattern is, but it's a textbook pattern. And what did we do this time? We were in a bear flag pattern as we had the 2-day death cross. Sound familiar? That's exactly the pattern we had back in 2021. What happened after that was our first crash, our first mega crash. From there, we plummeted into a second bear flag. Can you believe it? Back-to-back bear flags after a double top and a 2-day death cross. Sound familiar? What did we do this time? Well, we fell from our first bear flag and we had a mega crash directly into our second bear flag. That's right, for the past 400 days, we have been repeating the exact same pattern. I'll show you all the facts, and then I want to tell you what it means happens next. Let's get into it. Instead of buying the last cycle bottom, you watched Bitcoin and altcoins explode back up while you waited for lower prices. But when price drops fast and fear spikes, most investors freeze. That's why you don't need confidence. You need a checklist and simple rules. This is the golden zone. For nearly a decade, I have publicly called the bottoms here on YouTube and mapped out these golden zones, which are literally the best time to ever buy. But knowing the golden zone isn't the hard part. Executing inside of it is. So I set out on a mission to build something that I've never built before. Something that will help more people than I've ever helped before. I am releasing for the first time ever my Bitcoin bottom blueprint. How to dominate inside of the golden zone. This will be my exact checklist, my exact framework, my exact strategy for traders and investors like you to dominate inside of the golden zone. And in this cycle, my bottom call and my golden zone strategy will not be released on YouTube. It will only exist inside the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. I am so confident in my Bitcoin bottom blueprint that if you follow my checklist exactly and my system fails to generate at least one buy inside of the golden zone, you will get a full refund. I can't wait. Very soon is going to be the public launch of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. I can't wait. I am so excited. Who's excited? By the way, shout out to everybody on the wait list. If you're on the wait list, check your email right now. You have something huge, but the clock is ticking and the price is about to go up. Do not miss out. So here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we're on the 2-day chart. On the 2-day chart, we have two simple moving averages on our chart. One in green, the 50 MA, and one in red, the 200 MA. And you simply want to look at when the 50 crosses the 200 on the 2-day chart. And that cross happened exactly in our first bear flag. It happened in our first bear flag back in 2021, and it happened in our first bear flag here. Now, I want to show you what a bear flag is. Okay, so what you'll see is price going up and we have a little pullback, and price goes up again, and then we have a little pullback. And what you'll see is when we have a big pullback like this, we'll start to move into a rebound that sort of trends upward. Okay, and this trend upward has a line of resistance where we were up here in price, then we crashed, and then we rally up to this resistance, get rejected. We rally up to this resistance and get rejected, and we rally up to this resistance and get rejected. But it's not just that. As we're getting rejected, we actually have higher lows, meaning this was our first low, then we rally up, we get rejected, we make another low that's higher, then we rally up, get rejected again, and make another low that's higher. It tells most traders and investors, hey, we're good. We're actually rising in price and we're not going as low as we did before. That's what most rookie traders and investors thinks. By the way, a little bit later, I'm going to show you something that you're not even going to believe. It's literally going to knock you out of your seat. It's so crazy. But I have bad news for you because this is a textbook pattern. This is called a bear flag. This is the flagpole right here. And this is our flag. It's just upside down. If you're watching your phone right now, like tilt your head. If you're holding your computer, flip that bad boy. You're going to see this is a flagpole. It's just upside down. When you see a flagpole upside down, run. It's a bear flag. These, the high majority of the time, break to the downside with another mega crash, which, case in point, it's what we just did. Take a look here. We were in a textbook bear flag. And we had our 2-day death cross right in the middle of our textbook bear flag. Sound familiar? It's exactly the pattern here. We were up here in price. This is our flagpole right here. And look, we're making higher highs and higher lows. It tells rookie traders and investors, hey, let's clap. Remember when we were down here? So let me relate it to you. When we crashed down to 80,000, when we had our next low, we were at 85. And most traders and investors are like, ooh, this is good news. We did go down to 80, but now it's just 85. Fast forward a handful of weeks and we make another low, but this time it's 87. And it tells rookie traders and investors, ooh, hey, look, we were down there at 85. Before we were at 80. Now, hey, we're climbing. We're climbing. This thing's going to turn around. No. This is a textbook pattern. This is a bear flag, which is why when you come to my videos, every single video, you're going to learn something. Every single video. If you've been watching me for 8 years, you've learned something for 8 years, every single video. I'm just spitting facts, I'm spitting knowledge, and I'm trying to help you. That's it. By the way, shout out to you if you're on the wait list. And if you're on the wait list, you have something exclusive right now in your inbox. You need to go there because the clock is ticking and price is about to go up. So when you look at it, this is remarkable. Since our double top happened, we've been repeating the same exact pattern. We're talking about double top, leading right into bear flag, leading right into mega crash number 1, leading right into bear flag number 2. This time, double top, leading into bear flag, leading into mega crash, leading into bear flag number 2. So what I want to explain to you is the importance of this and the fractal pattern and how you react to this. Do you react like, oh my God, I'm just going to look at the exact time and the exact second and the exact day that this broke, and I'm going to try to time it and line it up and really guess and really hope? And no, these are fractal patterns. I love fractal patterns. Do they always play out exactly as planned? No. You can see there's a lot of differences. Like, I'll point out one right away. In 2021, when we rallied during the bear flag, we rallied through the green line. Look right here. We rallied through the green line. Look, we were at, the green line was at about 42,000 and we rallied all the way up here to 48. Okay. So if you're looking at the minute details, most rookie traders and investors would be like, you know what? And they'll try to get cute and they'll say, oh, this time we're going to rally through the green line and we're going to rally up to the red. In fact, I sat right here in this chair and I said, look, we've got some examples that we rallied to the green and we have some examples that we rallied to the red. We would never trade that, but it would be like, instead of going up here to 97, we went all the way up to maybe 100. So it's not much different, but there's a lot of people that would have waited for making that trade if they're taking into context the exact pattern of this instead of the overall big picture pattern. these patterns are repeating, but we're not looking at the exact dollar to the exact second to the exact minute. That's where most rookie traders and investors go wrong. What you want to do instead is just look at the big picture. Double top into first mega crash, into bear flag, into second mega crash. What you can see here is clear as day. These are the repeating patterns that I want you to look at, not the minute details of that this minute and at this hour and at this second it did this. By the way, earlier I said I have something wild to show you, something that you're not even going to believe, something that's so crazy it might knock you out of the seat you're sitting in right now. So you better pay attention to what I'm about to share with you, because it's 100% based on fact, and it's so crazy it's hard to believe. I mentioned earlier that for the past 400-ish days we have been repeating the exact same fractal pattern as 2021. But let me show you some cold hard facts. Let me knock your socks off with some evidence. Plain facts. What you can see is, I just want you to look at two places on the chart, right? You can all see this is the 2021 top. You can all see this is the top of this cycle. And what I want you to hone in on, you see this fractal pattern right here? That's what we're in right now, okay? And you can clearly see it by what we've discussed in this video. You know we're inside of this fractal pattern, but let me just show you. You can see exactly, it's the exact same fractal pattern, literally pound for pound, move for move. And do you see this part? This part right here, and we can go ahead and zoom in on this, but this is when we made that one big swing up, okay? And what we notice is we just made one swing up, right? We made that one big swing up. Now, what I want you to look at is, if you go from the bottom of this fractal pattern, like where we made our low, to where we made our high, I just want to show you something. So where we made our low to where we made our high is about 27%. In other words, in 2021, the fractal pattern that we're in right now, from the bottom to the top, went about 27%. Now, I want you to look at where we're at now, this fractal pattern right now. I want you to look at the low, and I want you to look at the high. And I want just to take into consideration the fact that we're right up there, okay? We are right up there in about 24, 25% from the low to the high, okay? So now we know we're inside of this fractal pattern. Now we know we just had that swing high. Now we know we can see it. But let me show you something even wilder. I want to show you something that will just blow you away. Something that will show you, hey, this fractal pattern is something that you have to pay attention to starting right now. What you can see at our top is we had our first top and our double top. What you can see in 2021 is we had our first top and our double top. What I want to measure is from the start of that. I want to measure from the start of that double top right here to that swing high. And I want to see from the start of our double top to the swing high and see if there's similarities, right? So we're going to go from right here, the first top, and we're the beginning of that first double top. And we're just going to measure how many days, right? Just from that first top to that swing high. You can see that swing high is here. About 445 days, 443 days to that swing high. In other words, from the first top, the beginning of the first top, to that swing high, where we believe we are, is about 443 days, 445 days. So now we're going to go on our current cycle, and we're going to go from the beginning of our first top to that swing high. We're going to measure the exact same part of the fractal pattern from that first part to the swing high, and look at where we're at. 443 days. It was exactly 443 days in 2021. It's exactly 443 days now. Now your mind is blown. Now you know that this fractal pattern is nothing to play with. And meanwhile, every day it's up, it's down. Nobody knows what's going on. Everybody's calling for higher, lower, everything. And alls we've done for 443 days is repeat the exact same pattern in 2021, and it's still throwing everybody off. So what should you do now? Well, if I were you, I would watch this. Any rally starting now is likely just to be a failed rally. Even if it's more explosive, even if it seems like it has more legs, even if it seems like it has more muscle, it's almost inevitable that any rally from here will be another failed rally. The second thing I would like you to watch is our base. Why? Let me show you before. Well, I'll show you the base just above our head. What I mean by our base is we have our top of our bear flag is resistance. The bottom is support. When you break support, you crash. It's that simple. Let me show you the prior examples. Prior examples, 2021. This is our support zone of the bear flag, right? We had a pivot low, a higher low, and another higher low, people getting excited. But as soon as we broke that base, that's when we crashed. So you don't want to time the exact minute of the exact second and trying to predict time and trying to predict price. That's where most people go wrong. Just keep it simple. When you break market structure, that's when the downfall happens. Look at the next time that we were in yet another bear flag. We had this be our structure. As soon as we broke that, that's when we plummeted. So what you want to look at now is look at our base, right? When we break our base, that's when I want you to be very weary, because that's when there's going to be the most uncertainty. That's where there's going to be the most panic amongst everybody in crypto. And that's when the high majority will get it completely wrong. But not anymore. You're going to have my Bitcoin bottom blueprint. I spent months and months and months to make the best course to give you total clarity, total confidence to buy inside of the golden zone. It's my strategy that I've used for the past 8 years. I've never released it before, and this is the first time. Limited time. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside. This will be an absolute game changer. That'll be the best financial decision you've ever made in crypto, and it will be a system that you can repeat for years and years and years. It will pay for itself over and over and over. I'll see you on the inside. Instead of buying the last cycle bottom, you watched Bitcoin and altcoins explode back up while you waited for lower prices. But when price drops fast and fear spikes, most investors freeze. That's why you don't need confidence. You need a checklist and simple rules. This is the golden zone. For nearly a decade, I have publicly called the bottoms here on YouTube and mapped out these golden zones, which are literally the best time to ever buy. But knowing the golden zone isn't the hard part. Executing inside of it is. So I set out on a mission to build something that I've never built before. Something that will help more people than I've ever helped before. I am releasing for the first time ever my Bitcoin bottom blueprint. How to dominate inside of the golden zone. This will be my exact checklist, my exact framework, my exact strategy for traders and investors like you to dominate inside of the golden zone. And in this cycle, my bottom call and my golden zone strategy will not be released on YouTube. It will only exist inside the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. I am so confident in my Bitcoin bottom blueprint that if you follow my checklist exactly and my system fails to generate at least one buy inside of the golden zone, you will get a full refund. I can't wait. Very soon is going to be the public launch of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. I can't wait. I am so excited. Who's excited? By the way, shout out to everybody on the wait list. If you're on the wait list, check your email right now. You have something huge, but the clock is ticking and the price is about to go up. Do not miss out.